Hey guys, I'm Sonika. It's 6:30 a.m. in the morning and I'm on my way to meet some birds at Vashi Creek. I've reached. It's a hot summer day, 24 degrees in the sun. I'm already sweating. Why do I do this to myself? Anyway, we are on the lookout for some bright and chirpy birds. That's gonna make it all worth it.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
I'm standing outside Rajiv Gandhi Joggers Park, which is right opposite to Fortis Hiranandani Hospital, and we are going to go inside and catch some birds in action. The last few birds of the winter. No, summer. We've got some beauty birds out there. This place is beautiful and it's huge. You don't even have to look for the birds, they are everywhere. Gulls, cormorants, herons, egrets, they are all everywhere. Now let's go to the other side and see if we can get some more shots in another angle. Do you want to look through? Come on! So guys, I got some great shots today. This place always gives me some very good shots and I had a lot of fun. Who knew such a beautiful place exists amidst all the hustle and bustle of the city? It makes me believe even more in the fact that we can start with where we are. I don't need to travel to posh locations for photography. If I can, it's great, but it's not necessary to travel to Bharatpur for bird photography. I can start with where I am in my own city. Thank you for coming along with me, and if you guys like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which is your favorite spot with nature in the city. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Here is my previous birding vlog. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.